Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy card trick. So I've got a deck of cards inside the box. So in this card trick I will not be having the cards. The cards will be with the spectator the whole time. So let's see, I'll give the cards to the spectator. They can open the deck, keep the box aside, and they can cut the deck how many times they want. So completely up to them, and they have to complete the deck, so they can cut it how many times. So me, the magician, will turn around so they can pick a card, so they can cut it again how many times they want. I have zero control over the cards. Let's say they stop right here. They can take this card, keep it in their back pocket. Now I'll turn around and I'll take the cards and I'll keep it down. So I had the cards, I didn't have the cards even once in my hands, but still I can predict this card. So I think this card is going to be the 8 of clubs, and that was the card. So let's get into the tutorial for this video. So here's the tutorial for the card trick. So for this card trick you follow the chased order. The chased is spelled as CHASED, but in the cards you spell it as CHSD. So you'll keep it in this order. So clubs, hearts, spade, diamonds, and now you'll have to get it in the numerical order, all the cards. So now what you'll do is you'll take the clubs, cut it at the hearts, bring the ace at the top, then with the hearts you'll just keep adding 3 to it. So now you cut the 4, and at the spade you cut the 7, get it on top, and in the diamonds you cut the 10. So it looks like that. So now the trick is basically done. Now you'll just have to place it in the chased order. So you place clubs, hearts, spade, diamonds. Keep on doing this. So I'll just cut to the part where the deck is done. So your deck should look something like this. So if you'll show the spectator, it looks completely shuffled. So now what you do is, what I did in the trick is I removed from the box, and the spectator can cut the cards how many times, and they can stop wherever they want. So you all just remember, you have to complete the cut. So now what happens is, let's say they stop at this card right there. So now what I'll do, I'll just glance at the bottom card, and the trick is done. So now you all saw the ace or spade. So in the chased order, after spade comes diamond, and in ace is counted as 1 in the cards. So you just do 1 plus 3, that's 4. So this should be the 4 of diamonds, and that's the 4 of diamonds. And you can do the cut. Let's say they stop right here, glance at the bottom, 5 of hearts. So that means this should be chased order. So clubs, hearts, spade. So this should be the 8 of spade. So yeah, that's the tutorial, and hope you all enjoy it.